So part A is 25%. Please remember your percentage sign. Part B is 576. And part C is 421.5. Now, let's take a look at this question. What is the percentage decrease in the number of files sold from January to February? When you have a time-based comparison, your original month is always your 100%. So if I compare from January to February, my 100% has to be, or my original has to be January. Yeah? And therefore, for part A, your percentage decrease. You realize that the question does not give you any number, correct or not? So what do? We don't measure in terms of number. We measure in terms of units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is 12U. This is 9U. So that's how we calculate it. So difference, which is 12U minus 9U over your original has to be January, which is 12U, and then you multiply by 100%. Press your calculator, you will get 25%. So make sure you get the correct denominator. Common mistake is you'll get the denominator wrong for percentage increase, decrease. B1, how many files were sold in March? So they tell you that there are 144 more files sold in March than in January. So how many units are there in March? 5, 10, 15, 16 units, right? So your difference in units is 16U minus 12U to give me 4U. And therefore 4 units is equal to 144. Okay? From here, you can go and find 1 unit. I noticed that some of you have this very annoying habit. You all don't like to write your equation in full. So when you find 1 unit, you like to just tell me 144, 4 units is 144, 1 unit is 36. It is not wrong. Mathematically, you will be marked correct if your answer is correct. So you tell me 4 unit is 144, 1 unit is 36 without showing me the equation. If your answer is correct, no penalization. If your answer is wrong, you are not awarded the method mark because there is no method there. So your equation gives you your method mark. So some of you have the habit of skipping the equation because you think that it's faster. So don't take this kind of risk. Go and write the equation so that if for whatever reason, weird reason, you go and make the calculation error, you still get the method mark. So March is 16 unit equals to 36 times 16. And therefore, you should get 576 for part B1. And then part B2, the average number of files was 435 from January to May. January to May, I hope you know, is 5 months. So your total for 5 months is 435 times 5. To 175. Right? You can find your total from Jan to March. What is your total from Jan to March? You need to go and count. How many units in total? 21 plus 16 is 37 units. So 37 units multiplied by 1 unit is 36. You will get 1372. And therefore, April to May, both months will be 2175 minus 1372. That will give me 843. And therefore, average in April and May is 843 divided by 2. 421.5. They only want the average of 2 months. Did I make a calculation error? 37 times 36 is 1332, sorry. 2175 minus 1332 is 843, okay. So please read the question carefully. They only want the average for the 2 months. So you have to find the total of the 2 months first, then you can go and divide by 2.